Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move a furniture in your house on the Pocket Life Quick Livestream application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And you go to the furniture icon at the lower right corner of the screen. And if you select an item in your house, you can move that, for example, the bed or the plants and more. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.